Dam, Dungi Dam, is a dam, located 2 km northwest of Gujarkhan in Rawalpindi, Pakistan. Ghazi Barotha Dam is located on Indus River in Pakistan. Ghazi Barotha hydroelectric project is located around 100 km from Islamabad. It involved the construction of a partial river diversion at Ghazi Barotha, 7 km downstream from the Tarbala Dam. The barrage diverts water into a 52 km concrete-lined channel and delivers it to the 1,450 MW powerhouse at Barotha. This is further downstream, near the confluence of the Indus and Haro rivers. In this reach the Indus River drops by 76 m within a distance of 63 km. After passing through the powerhouse, diverted water is returned to the industry. In addition to these main works, transmission lines stretch 340 km. Gomal Dam is located on Gomal River in South Waziristan, NWFP, Pakistan. Gomal Zam Dam Project Gomal Zam Dam project is located in Daman area of NWFP, Pakistan. Gomal River, on which a 437 feet high Gomal Zam Dam will be built, is one of the significant tributaries of Indus River. It is planned to irrigate about 163,000 acres of land. The total project's costs amounts to Rs 12 billion. It will be a roller compacted concrete dam, having a gross storage of 1.14 MF. It will produce 17.4 MW of electricity when completed. Approximately Rs 4.388 billion contracts for the construction of Gomal Zam Dam project was awarded to Messrs. Quek, Hope, a joint venture of 2 Chinese firms in August 2002. Gudug Barrage Gudug Barrage is a barrage across River Indus, near Sukkur in Pakistan. President Sikandar Mirza laid foundation stone of the Gudug Barrage on February 2, 1957. The barrage was completed in 1962. Second, 34,000 m superscript 3/s. It is a gate-controlled weir-type barrage with a navigation lock. The barrage has 64 bays, each 60 feet, 18 m, wide. The maximum flood level height of Gudug Barrage is 26 feet, 8 m. It controls irrigation supplies to 2.9 million acres, 12,000 square kilometers, of agricultural lands in the Jacobabad, Larkana, and Sukkur districts of Sindh and the Nasirabad district of Balochistan. The cost of the project was 474.8 million rupees. It feeds Gotki feeder, Bigari feeder, Desert, and Pat feeder canals. Hub Dam is a large water storage reservoir constructed in 1981 on the Hub River on the arid plains north of Karachi on provincial border between Balochistan and Sindh, Pakistan. The reservoir supplies water for irrigation in Lasbala district of Balochistan and drinking water for the city of Karachi. It is an important staging and wintering area for an appreciable number of waterbirds and contains a variety of fish species which increase in abundance during periods of high water. The Masir, Tor putatora, an indigenous riverine fish found in the Hub River, can grow up to 9 feet in length and more than 110 pounds. The Hub Reservoir can grow up to 32 square miles and provides for excellent angling. Kolobok Dam. The Kolobok Dam is a megawater reservoir that Government of Pakistan planning to develop across the Indus River, one of the world's largest rivers. The proposed site for the dam is situated at Kolobok in Mianwali district of the northwest Punjab province, bordering NWFP. The dam project is a highly controversial and has been so since its inception. In December 2005, General Pervez Musharraf, who became the President of Pakistan after a 1999 coup, announced that he would definitely build the dam in the larger interest of Pakistan. History: the region of Kolobok was once an autonomous Jagir, feudal estate, within Punjab. It was annexed by the Sikhs in 1822. After the British annexed the Punjab, the Nawab of Kolobok was granted the Jagir of Kolobok, in recognition of his services to the British Raj. According to the PC2 of the project, Kolobok Dam was initiated by GOP in 1953, and consequently, rapid increases in the cost of energy have greatly enhanced the priority of the dam as a power project. The project's paperwork was finalized in March 1984, with the assistance of the United Nations Development Programme, supervised by the World Bank, for the Client Water and Power Development Authority, WAPDA, of Pakistan. Controversy: the proposed construction of the Kolobok Dam triggered an extremely bitter controversy among the 4 provinces of Pakistan, namely Punjab, Sindh, Northwest Frontier Province, and Balochistan. The only province which is in favor of this dam is Punjab, that is the most strong among all 4 provinces, as usually the government is mainly centralized in it. The other 3 provinces have expressed extreme dissatisfaction, going so far as to have their provincial assemblies pass unanimous resolutions condemning the proposed dam. Hence, the project is still under consideration. The delay is also being caused by the fact that according to international water distribution law, the tail ender has a legal and natural right on river, and that is why no mega construction or reservoir can be built without permission and endorsement of the tail ender, i.e. Sindh. In the case where the tail ender is not using water, i.e. building a water reservoir, a reservoir can be made upstream. Impact assessments of the proposed dam have shown that while it will provide storage and electricity, the dam will also have adverse impacts on the environment, as can be expected from any large dam. It will also displace a large number of people. While proponents point to the benefits, the adverse factors have been played up by the opponents of the dam. As a result, the dam has been stalled by claims and counterclaims since 1984. The controversy can be best understood by looking at the viewpoints of each of the 4 provinces. Punjab viewpoint: population and industrial demands on its agriculture. A dam at Kolobok would also supply cheap hydroelectric power. The annual outflow of water into the Arabian Sea is considered a waste in Punjab, which feels that water can be used to irrigate Pakistani infertile lands. Punjab wants not just Kolobok, but also 2 more large dams on the Indus, at Basha and Skartas/Katsara. It feels that the Kolobok site is the most favorable, compared to the other 2, and that it should be built first. Sindh viewpoint: Sindh, the first province to point KBD project a blame game, is the lower riparian and strongest opponent of KBD. But its case mainly against Punjab is more on a conceptual basis of what Sindh thought to be theft of water by Punjab rather than locating an actual incident of theft. Sindh supports its argument by stating that by virtue of its name and history of water rights of the province, Indus River belongs exclusively to Sindh. Therefore, claiming the construction of dams, Tarbala and Mangla and now KBD actions of theft of water at the irrigation cost of Sindh. Further, Sindh presents many objections against the proposed dam. Some of these objections are as follows. Sindh objects that their share of the Indus water will be curtailed as water from the Kolobok will go to irrigate farmlands in Punjab and NWFP, at their cost. Sindhis hold that their rights as the lower riparian have precedence according to international water distribution law. The coastal regions of Sindh require a constant flow of water down the Indus into the Arabian Sea so that the flowing water can keep the seawater from intruding inland. Such seawater intrusion would literally turn vast areas of Sinda's coast into an arid saline desert, and destroy Sinda's coastal mangroves.